Hi, I'm Kashif, and I genuinely believe from the bottom of my bones that AI should have to be trained in a different way. We had made the train chain which can able to train any kind of a model in decentralized way, which means suppose that I have a PC which have a GPU, some kind of a RTX stuff, which have a code processing stuff, things like that. That is help to train any kind of a model, and my friend also have that kind of a PC, and some couple of other people also have that thing, so they can contribute to train any kind of a model. It's like working as that simplified distributed way to train any kind of a model in a partitions. We got the data set, we split the data set in a shards, we call the shards this pieces we did, and that shard will be distributed to every hardware with the base model. Everything will be trained and came back to the server and merged it. That is a thing which called federated learning we implemented in it. It's actually work in a reward basis, like I spend in my hardware to compute all the things and training the model, so I will get rewarded according to the project based on the computational tasks I did. So as you can see that we have a client side script and as well as the server script. We have to run the client side script on client side and the server script on the server side. And on server side, we have some kind of log thing which we will collect in a backend. So just the thing is that on client side, you have to add the script on a production server, which we're gonna upload soon. Okay, so on the client side, we are going to run this script as well. And the server will wait for the GPU device for 30 minutes. If they didn't get this thing which they have needed, they will compute all of that hyperparameters by themselves. Now we will gonna train the model in a separated way. We had already gave 2 for the total number of GPU devices. So the data set will be separated in 2 pieces, like 2 shards, 2 different shards. One will be shared with a different device and one will be shared with a different device again. So we're gonna train the model in the same device but in a different training thing, like we are doing here. First time I'll try to skip the video. So for the first couple of time, it's shared the model which is trained in this device, and now it's trying to do that thing again for the different data, which is split it in a half again. Okay, at last we merged the model in a backend, and that's it. We got the full-fledged model without having a high performance GPU or maybe high memory VRAM GPUs. So yeah, that is all by us. Like if you have a big data set, like we use the R1 full data set here, I lower the data set to show you how this thing works. If I use it, so it shows me 5,000 of seconds. Okay, so that takes a couple of minutes to train the model. If you have a better GPU, that maybe varies according to you that, and the rewarding stuff will also be judges according to the computational and performance analysis. So yeah, that is all by us. It's a train chain. If you like a project, please vote us.